Hi guys, in this video I provide you Audioengine A2 Plus versus Kanto ORA 100W. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First, talk about sound signature. Audioengine A2 Plus provide you warm, balanced with a slight bass emphasis, and Kanto provide you detailed, dynamic, brighter sound. Let's talk about design. Classic, minimalist with wooden cabinet is provided by Audioengine, and modern, sleek with plastic cabinet is provided by Kanto ORA. Size. Compact size is available on Audioengine and slightly larger size is available on Kanto. Connectivity. Bluetooth with aptX HD 3.5 mm analog input is available on Audioengine and Bluetooth with aptX HD 3.5 mm analog input RCA analog input is available on Kanto. Remote control included in Audioengine and not included in Kanto ORA. Price. The price of Audioengine is generally lower and the price of Kanto is generally higher. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.